Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crisis Deneen. If this is your very first video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that before you leave though, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys read from the title and saw from the video, this is another Amazon Prime headband wig. Okay, get into the headband wigs, honey. If you have not jumped on the headband wig trend, sis, what are you doing with yourself? Like, quick, easy, simple, like you go from to ooh in seconds, honey. Like literally seconds. Like the transformation is crazy. I did get this unit from iSee Hair Beauty on Amazon. It is their 18-inch silky straight, and honey, she is very silky and very straight. Headband wig, as you guys saw in the previous slides, it does come with two headbands. This one I thought worked perfectly for my shirt, so we went with that one. But they do have another headband that you can also do. These headband wigs have been literally my go-to. If you watched my previous video, you already know that they're saving lives, but honey, they're saving time, okay? Time. Because don't nobody got time to be waking up doing their hair. Like, no. Throw this headband wig on and go. But yes, I freaking love this. The texture is so nice. Like, look at that. Like, look, sis. Look. Do you see? And this is all of the hair. Like, this is it. So it's not thick and it's not heavy, but it's just the right amount of hair, okay? Like, I'm giving y'all real natural, like, this might could be my hair, sis. Could be, you know. So yes, I freaking love this wig. And the good thing about these headband wigs are you can go in and curl her. You know, if I want to put some little big long curls in her, I can. If I want to wear her straight, I can. If I want to wear this in a ponytail, a half up, half down, I can. So these headband wigs have been my best friend. And baby girl, I don't just call everybody my best friend. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, you already know your girl got you. I'm gonna drop that link down below so that way you can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Peace.